How to update Roblox on mobile. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So if you are using Roblox on your mobile phone, but you are on an outdated version, how can you update it? The process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Play Store, and once you do that, navigate to the Roblox game. Now, once you are here, you will see that there are two buttons, the uninstall and the usually install button. In this case right here, it says play as I have already downloaded and installed the app on my phone. And when it does say play, it means that there is no update available, meaning that you are using the most updated and most recent Roblox version. However, if there will be an update available, this play button will say update, in which you will only need to click on it and it will update your Roblox app or game to the latest version. It's that easy and simple. If it does say play, there's no update available. If it says update, then just click on it and it will automatically start to download the new update and will update your Roblox game to the latest version. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can update Roblox on your phone. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.